This machine name is moss cleaning machine, and this machine help us to grow fish production. It is very useful for fish farmer. We are very easy to control this machine using the transmitter signals. This paddle system name is oxygen blowing system to increase the oxygen level in the water. This machine can help to collect big and small moss over the water. After overflow, there have a one alarming system. This machine can easily spray lime, potassium and also medicines very easily in the water. That lime potassium is too much useful. At night, there have a one security system for secure our pond at night, alarming the motion detector sensor using the human bodies. Easy to measurement the pH level in the water. AI system for automatic round in the pond at night for secure our pond.